Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change background color in Photoshop. Just one click. So I'm just select this photo. Okay, click on to select option and select subject. Okay, now select this subject. Go to select again, press on inverse. Okay, click on, go to solid color and I'm just select solid color. Okay, press on OK and change to multiple option. Press on enter. So look here, successfully change this color, background color. Or if you want to change color again, double press. So that's it. That's how you can do it.